That goes in the kitchen.
Okay. There's so many memories in this old house.
This used to be Daddy's room.
It's time to bring life back into this old home.
Thanks.
I'm gonna open this up.
Hey, great to see you back in town.
It's good to see you too.
Perfect.
Thanks.
The old house looks great.
Long time no see. Remember that time back in high school?
We're so excited to be making new memories here. Of course, it's such a...
Hey, check this out.
Your mom would be so happy.
Thanks, Dad.
Times change, but the need for comfort never does. Golden Rule, your partner in home comfort.